Snaking bathroom drains is usually pretty boring for content. But tell me, what the hell is this? I mean, that looks like what my mainline snake will pull out of a sewer with roots and... What the hell is that? What the hell is that? That's hair, dude. That's all hair. Look, you can see. Holy cow, dude. This is the biggest sink clog I've ever seen. Holy cow. That is special. That is something to be put on YouTube. I'll tell you that right now. Alright. Let's turn the water on. Oh, it's coming from over here.
Okay.
It's coming from here.
Over this way.
Okay, alright. Wow. You know what?
It's coming from there.
I think it might be coming from there. Is it just... Here it is right here. See it right here? Okay. So there's a leave crack right there. Yeah. All right, you can turn it off. Yep. You can turn it off. Yeah, it's right there. It's right there. All right, so I just left that job. I don't know what it is. I guess I'm a snobby plumber, but when there's a job that's more fitting for a gardener, I always give the client, I'm like, look, we can do this. I quoted them $2,300 to dig that out. I mean, it's in a really tough spot. I'm going to need a helper to make it go faster, but I always give the client a option. I'm like, look, I can charge you $150 for a service call right here, and then you call a gardener to do this for, whoa, Sally, call a gardener to do this for $700 or $800, or, you know, I'm happy to come back and we'll do it for $2,300. I just, I don't know, I don't like doing jobs that gardeners do. I feel like my proficiency and my excellence are insulted by merely a gardener job. Ha! How dare you? So, that's what I do. And it's noon, I'm kind of hungry, I wanted to go.
In 1,000 feet,
but,
right onto Mandeville Canyon Road.
But, she appreciated it. She's like, all right, let me see if my gardener can do it, and then otherwise I'll call you back. They weren't using the sprinklers anyway. It was just something that they wanted to check off the list, so. Anyway, all right,